So today I am going to show you how to program Son of Basic. So first we need to open this. So this is a module, Son of Mini module. So here you can open it like this. So after this you will find that this kind of device. So this is the input and this is the output. So to program it we need to solder some male bug strips here. So these are the pins ground TX RX in 3.3v3, which means 3.3 volt. So we are going to use these pin to program it. So after soldering this bug strip, so that what we will need for programming this, we will be needed this serial to UART converter, UART to USB, serial to USB. So and we need to adjust the voltage. This is 5 volt and this is 3.3 volt. So we will be needed 3.3 volt. So we need to set the jumper to this setting, and then we need to connect it with the wire, female to female bug strips will be needed. So we need 4 of them. Connection will be like VCC will be connected to VCC, ground will be connected to ground, TX will be connected to RX, and RX will be connected to TX. So after connecting this, we need to connect a cable to my laptop. So this cable will be for putting it into the boot mode. We first need to press this button, then plug in the USB to your system. Now the Son of Basic is in boot mode. Now we can program it. So now open Arduino. I am going to use Blink example. So the pinouts will be like these are the pin configurations for the Son of Basic. So we are going to use GPIO 12 for relay and GPIO 13 for LED. So I will be using it in the Blink example. I will turn off and on relay and LED after the interval of 1 second. I have changed the LED pin to 12 and 13, and I am toggling the pins after 1 second. 12 and 13 pins. 13 is for LED and 12 is for relay. After that, select the board, ESP generic module, ESP8266 generic module, and select the port. Select the port, which is 12 for my Son of Basic. So after that, just upload it. The code is getting uploaded. Done uploading. Now unplug the wires and USB and connect the 220 volt or AC to the Son of Basic. After connecting 220 volt AC, then turn on the power supply. So now you can see that LED and relay is toggling after 1 second delay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.